by bringing our awareness inside, into the universe inside of you that contains and connects with all that is. You might even imagine traveling inside and seeing the vastness of all that you are. And in the universe within you contains everything. All that you are, all that you have been, all that you will be, all wrapped up in this beautiful present moment. So allow yourself to expand your space and just connect. Connecting with the earth, with each other, the sky and the trees, the plants and the animals, the ocean, the mountains, the clouds and the sky and the atmosphere, out with the moon and the sun and all the planets. Connect. Connecting out beyond the solar system, beyond the galaxy, into other galaxies. Begin to have this awareness that you are all of that, and all of that is you. Feel your connection, everything within source light. A source is all there is, and all of that is you. We're going to begin to just kind of observe your life now. Observe your past. Observe other potential timelines. Allow any memories, any awarenesses of you in another place, in another time, in another body, on another planet, in another universe, in another dimension. We're just going to allow all these aspects of ourselves, whatever we notice, no big deal, to just gently come into our awareness. Maybe imagine that there are many mirrors in front of you, and each reflection in each mirror is a little different. Acknowledging all these aspects of you. We're going to ask your highest divine soul self, the one that knows itself as all, to come fully into your body now, connecting into your body. Invite her or it in. Your beautiful divine I am presence. And now again, just observing any awareness you have of any part of you that you are ready to receive and reunite with across all time dimensions, all space, all realities. Imagine your heart opens up like a beautifully blossomed rose and begins to draw in all these aspects, all these parts of you across all multiple dimensional realities. Re-embrace all that you are. Any shadows, any lights, all into the light and that beautiful rose in your heart. We're calling in our guides, our teacher, master teachers to support us, to guide us to all these parts of ourselves. Connecting into all the realms. Angelic realm, nature spirit realm, galactic realms, ascended master realms. There is no place that you do not have access to. So any pieces of yourself you've left behind or disconnected with, we're just bringing those all back in. And you can just be a witness to who you are as a whole, to who you've been. No matter what arises for you, embrace, receive, and integrate all that you are. If there's any other places that feel like home to you, call those in. If there's any stars or planets you have an attraction to, call those in. If there's any history in this timeline that you associate with, call that in. Being willing to integrate, to connect, to allow all that you are here in this now to become whole and one with you. And allowing any of these aspects to adjust your body, your frequency, your DNA, to whatever is in alignment with your highest divine self. So I invite you to explore the universe, to explore dimensions, picking up any stray pieces, any other aspects, and just play. I'm just going to bring in some light language to support us here. Mara soria edea shotona ele koroya sene edea naya shoteyane ele konia satayani ikia. Tania salea tonoya shatike moro soria shano solia talekeni ikiria. Kumaria salakorua sanaria shotoya sanene ikiani. We begin to dissolve the layers of separation from these aspects of ourselves and from each other. Opening that energy of unity consciousness even greater than it's ever been before. Kanahiane solayane me sotobaya shotoki. Tenemara solaya shadea sotowaya kiana. Kanele koruasala konaya shadiana me de edoa tono salayateni kia. Doname sotobayane lo koruaniate nonowan shotoyani. Donamara sotoyane mere sotoyane mere kiatonia guayane sonoyashia. Konara roya saneania toroyane konomaria toloyanara sotoyania ka. Yanele soleyanele yanomasa triano kuyari. Komaria sadea shodoyane me to solea taliane kuayati kia yanuma. Toloyana sotariane donamashiasi. And as all these aspects of you are coming into that wholeness and that oneness, you become that catalyst to usher in heaven on earth. Kumara sotalayane esola ari osotalayane ketonoyata mayashatikia sotoba sheatiana kisi. And however this resonates, however you perceive, whatever your connection is to this unity, I invite you to extend it out beyond this room for all of humanity and the earth to remember their oneness. And beyond this earth, Konarashata sanea shotoleyaname etonoya sotoyanami etotokupa koniarasata. Just give ourselves some moments of quiet for any messages, any insights, anything that you are ready to receive in this moment. Just allow anything else to come in for you. Just in your own time, bringing yourself back, allowing the breath to just help anything else to just move through you. If you want to write down anything, we'll take a few moments for that.